Hi friends, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see supply chain management. This is an interesting topic. So let me answer what is supply chain management and how does it work. Supply chain management consists of three words: supply, chain and management. Supply of the finished good that you have produced. Now that product is available to be served in the market and people are going to buy for the value that the product is providing. For that you need a distribution channel. Maybe for example your factory is located in Chennai. It is located in some place, let us take Mahindra World City. It is situated in Chengalpattu, Mahindra World City. But you want to sell your products in some other part of the country. Let us take example of Maharashtra. You want to sell it in Mumbai. So there has to be a distribution network. Your product from factory has to reach to a customer staying in Mumbai or in Pune or in different part of the cities or different part of the countries. Maybe you are a global player and you export your products to other countries. So it has to reach them. So that is called as distribution channel or chain. And management is again optimum utilization of resources. When you do this at a less cost, when you do this efficiently, effectively at a minimum price, then you are a good manager. Now let us see what is supply chain management and how does it work. So here I have shown you a picture. You can see that there is information flow. So by information flow, what I mean is the marketing department or sales department is selling the product in the market, correct? They are getting feedback of the product, and also they are getting the customer requirement, customer orders for future delivery. Then the customer is there. If you see centrally, the producer is there. What is the function of a producer? To manufacture the goods. Once they are manufactured, they are sent to the customer, correct? So it is known as primary product flow. The customer buys the product, he is using it. Either he is happy with the products or he is unhappy with the products. If he is happy, then it is good for your business. If he is not happy, if he is not satisfied, then you need some changes in your system. Fine. So this product flow will go to your information system where you will collect the feedback of that customer. Once the producer has produced, the product will go to supplier. The supplier gets the order, he gets to know where to ship the product, and then he will send it to the customer. And during this process there will be cash flow from customer to supplier, supplier to producer, producer to backward integration from where you have sourced the raw material, vendors and all. So there would be cash flow. Again, I would like to give you example from online perspective. There is a producer who has produced, say let us take example of watches. He has produced watches. And you as a person, as a customer, you have ordered that watch online. Fine. So I am a producer, you are a customer, you have ordered that watch online. So I'll tell my supplier that, see, I have received an order for this watch. Now you go and deliver this to the customer who is staying at so and so place. So the supplier will go and supply the product to you, and I will collect money from you, maybe in the form of cash on delivery or maybe in the form of prepaid method. In some form I will collect money from you and you will get a watch from me. You will get the product or service delivered at your doorstep. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next class.